Hi everyone, welcome to the Big Bang. Today we're going to talk about the thermodynamics of acid reflux. So let's talk about real gases, especially the ones you find in your body. In addition to breathing, we take in gases a couple of different ways. Drinking carbonated beverages, eating too quickly, and even chewing gum. During digestion, the bacteria in our stomach also releases gases. Normally these gases have a natural outlet, also known as burping or flatulence. However, when certain gases begin to build up, we may begin to notice some discomfort going on. One of the possible gases that can increase acidity in your stomach is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, or CO2, can react with water to form carbonic acid, which can dissociate into bicarbonate and a free hydrogen ion. The excess hydrogen ions decrease the pH. The resulting acidic environment may irritate the lining of your stomach or even move all the way back up through the esophagus and cause what most people call heartburn. Here we can see the utility of modeling real gases to treat certain health conditions like gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD. Thanks for watching.